Is your BT YouView box turning itself on unexpectedly? You're definitely not alone in experiencing this frustrating issue. This problem affects thousands of users, even with the latest 2025 models. The good news is that there are specific reasons why this happens, and understanding them is the first step to fixing it. The most frequent cause is something called HDMI CEC, which stands for Consumer Electronics Control. This is a feature that allows devices connected via HDMI to communicate with each other. When you turn on your TV, it sends a signal through the HDMI cable telling connected devices to wake up. Your YouView box receives this signal and powers on automatically, even if you didn't want it to. The second common cause is scheduled recordings. Your YouView box is designed to wake up automatically to record your favorite shows, but sometimes it fails to go back to sleep afterward. Network activity is another potential trigger. Your broadband connection fluctuations, software update checks, or even remote diagnostic signals from BT servers can cause the box to wake up unexpectedly. Finally, aging hardware can be the culprit, especially in boxes over 4 years old. Faulty power supplies, overheating components, or worn-out capacitors can cause irregular power management behavior. Now that you understand the main causes, HDMI CEC communication, scheduled recordings, network activity, and aging hardware, you're better equipped to identify what might be affecting your specific YouView box. Now that we understand why your BT YouView box turns on by itself, let's fix this problem with proven solutions. We'll walk through each step systematically to stop this annoying behavior. Step 1 is the most effective solution: disable HDMI CEC. This feature allows devices to control each other through the HDMI connection, but it's often the culprit behind unwanted power-ons. Don't forget to also disable HDMI CEC on your TV. Look for settings called HDMI Control, CEC, or Device Control in your TV's menu and turn them off as well. Step 2 is a simple but effective power cycle. This clears the device's memory and can resolve temporary glitches causing the auto power-on behavior. Step 3 addresses network-related triggers. Sometimes the broadband connection or router settings can cause wake events. Try switching your connection method to isolate the issue. Step 4 is the nuclear option, a factory reset. This should only be used if other methods fail, as it will erase all your recordings and settings. However, it has a high success rate of about 70%. By following these 4 steps in order, you should be able to resolve the auto power-on issue. Start with disabling HDMI CEC as it fixes most cases. Then try power cycling, check your network connection, and only use factory reset as a last resort. Most users find success with the first 2 steps alone.